Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will do a watercolor illustration of the Chaniya Choli for Navratri special, and I will make it very colorful, and I will try to use some textures and some detailings in the borders. So here you can see for the body work. So here guys, I'm trying to do a tie-dye effect, and will use watercolor for this. You can see the full video where I've explained lots of different ways to do tie-dye effect with watercolor, and it's a very fun medium to try, and you can try this out over the body and the border of the lehengas or saris or kurtis. So do try out this method, and you can see the full video regarding this technique. I will be posting the links down in the description box below. And for this method, you just need to give some water lines, use lots of water, and then put the color directly. For the watercolor guys, I'm using this palette from Camel. You can again check out the materials. Everything will be given in the description box. And coming back at this tutorial guys, here I will be trying watercolor medium only, and I will also be using some detailing pens and pencil, but you can completely do this totally freehand. So to bring out the vibe of the Navratri, you can make your Chaniya Choli very colorful, and use lots of different colors and textures and give the effect of mirror, some embroidery style. And here I am trying to do the same only, and going very freehand. First I will do the texture, then I will work on the border, and here I'm trying to use with watercolor guys. You can also use gel pens for your border, and use metallic colors for giving the mirror work. So keep watching the video till the end, and I hope you enjoyed this video.